Accidents don't keep regular business hours. So if you have a bone, joint, or muscle injury as the result of playing sports or other physical activities, get immediate orthopedic care. Compared to the ER, seeking treatment at our Florida Orthopaedic Institute Urgent Care provides quick access to high-quality care while lowering your risk of exposure. Our urgent cares only treat orthopedic conditions, which don't spread in the waiting room. This minimizes your exposure to viruses like COVID-19. No appointment is necessary. Walk-ins and same-day appointments are welcome. Open regular business hours with extended hours Monday through Saturday. Shorter wait times than emergency rooms or general urgent care clinics. You get specialized care since you go straight to an orthopedic specialist. With lower costs and deductibles than a hospital emergency room. Get diagnosed immediately with state-of-the-art diagnostic imaging. Treatment options for the whole family in 2 convenient locations on North Del Mabry Highway and South Lakewood Drive in Brandon. Call 813-FL-ORTHO. Florida Orthopaedic Institute's Orthopaedic Urgent Care. Your safety remains our priority. No one's better at keeping you active because nobody does orthopedics like we do.